Sophia,
Yes.
I was going to tell you this between videos. I thought of it between the videos, but I wanted to make sure that I put this on the video. The AC method, I have become a huge fan. I was doing some over the break. I was like, this just makes so much more sense. It makes so much more sense. Now let me say something. I'm glad that you guys know the quadratic formula, because we're going to use it later, and you already know it. That's good. But man, the AC method is so clean and nuts. I'm a big fan. I am going to teach it.
I don't know.
No, I already taught you once, so you're done. But next year's class is going to get the AC method. Sorry. I get better as the years go by, so you just have to take me as you find me this year, next year. You know, you should be a teacher. It's the best job in the world. Just me. Okay. Step one, simplify. What do I need to do? What do I need to do, Parker J? Factor it, okay? Now, Parker J, the first thing I'm going to do is make sure things are in the right order, right? So I've got 2x squared plus x minus 3 over, what's on the bottom? How can I put that in the right order? Help me out with that, Parker J.
Negative x squared
Yes, sir?
minus x
Yeah.
plus.
Okay. Good. Now, what do I not like about the thing on the bottom, Taylor? It's negative, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to say 2x squared plus x minus 3 over negative. I'm going to pull the negative out. What's left inside? Somebody. Bella? X squared plus x minus 2. Beautiful. Okay? Now, I want to factor the top, and I want to factor the bottom. Okay? Now, I'm just going to do the AC method just because I like it. Okay? So AC method means I multiply the leading coefficient, the A, times the C, and I get negative 6. What are the factors of negative 6? Well, the factors of negative 6 are negative 1, 6, 1, negative 6, negative 2, 3, and 2, negative 3. Which of these sums gives me positive 1? Well, negative 2 and 3 gives me positive 1. So I'm going to write 2x squared minus 2x plus 3x minus 3. So I took the minus 2 and I took the plus 3, right? Because that's what plus x equals. Okay? And now I'm going to factor that. Okay? Take out a 2x on the first one, and that leaves me with x minus 1. And then in the second one, I'm going to pull out positive 3 times x minus 1. They both have x minus 1, so that gets pulled out to the front. I'm going to get x minus 1 times 2x plus 3. Thank you, Sophia. Now, I'm going to write on top, x minus 1 times 2x plus 3. Hey, Mr. C, can I still use a quadratic? Of course. I don't care which highway you use to get to your destination. Just get to your destination. What do I get on the bottom? Well, it's negative. Since there's nothing in front of the x, I know it's going to be x and x. What are the factors of negative 2 that when I add them together, I get positive 1? Somebody, wake up. Negative 2. Negative 2 is negative 1, 2, and 1, negative 2. Which one of these works?
No, you don't want to.
Negative 1, 2. Okay? Now, I'm going to get rid of this. Okay? I have factored. What's the second step? What's the second step, Clay?
The second step would be to state the restrictions.
State the restrictions.
And so,
Okay, remember, Clay, we only look at the bottom, right?
yep. So you got, would it be negative x minus 1?
Well, this can't equal 0, right? Because if it does, the whole thing equals 0, because
Right,
we're
so
multiplying.
Would it just be x minus 1 is not equal to 0?
X minus 1 cannot equal 0. So I add 1 to both sides.
Right.
That means that x cannot equal 1. So x cannot equal 1.
Then you got x plus 2.
Can you just look at it and tell me? What can x not equal?
X cannot equal negative 2.
Negative 2.
And what if the negatives